Oh, taste delay samlo la. The three guns yellow sugi YouTube ki unboxing. And unboxing that soon the margin I shed out the over. I think office ki cookie jinga Amazon la. I did Jorso and this size dirisha. So what I'm trying to do is I'm just trying to unbox this office chair. It's a pretty good chair with leather, which I really need it. And let me just open the box. Here we go.
Yeah, and he has a lot of tools here.
Yeah.
Not
Should make it from my book. Shush. Okay. Right. Let's see what is inside. Treasure. It's a treasure. Wow.
Wow.
Maybe.
This is beautiful.
So the cover. Oh, yeah. Everything is. There's all kinds of stuff, baby.
There's all kinds of stuff. I thought you didn't need to.
Yeah.
Okay.
What is this?
I think it's a seat.
Okay, let me just.
They're all pulled out.
Okay.
So,
Oh, some part. See, all the parts are like divided.
okay.
See, this is the.
Handle.
Yeah, I think the handle.
Here.
Right?
Yeah.
Wow. Handle chichera. Handle chair. Layer. Oh, layer no do that. And the handle in the other side handle. Packing I was shoot to do that.
Oh, yep.
Yeah, see? I'll show you. The other side. There's two handles, right?
So, I really hope they have instructions.
One on the right side, one on the left side. So see, these are all screws. So you have to assemble. It's not easy, I think. Yeah.
Oh, this is the big part.
This is the big part.
This thing.
Okay. 이 지라 handle 니도. 이거네. And yeah, what is this? Oh, this is all the screws. See?
Oh, we didn't need
Yeah,
it.
all the screws, the nuts, bolts, everything is here. So we need a really assembly person to assemble. You know, manual. Somebody
Maybe
manual.
we could do it. You may never know.
I don't know. Manual is there. Okay. And this is the leg. You need the leg.
Yes.
The leg part.
It's like a starfish.
Yeah. David Lane, and this is the one. The main seat. There.
I feel like that's a couch.
This is the
It's
like
a couch. This is what else is in here. Oh yeah, so
Couch.
this is, it looks like a couch cushion.
It's yeah, looks like very comfortable.
And I think this piece is,
And this is the for the back.
yeah.
Yeah.
So,
Back dish. So this will go like this, see? Yeah.
I feel like
It's quite heavy.
I think that's the front.
It's quite
and
heavy
back.
too. Ah,
So I think we just,
okay.
oh wait. Get it.
And this is push head.
Oh.
Remember the push one? Yeah, we can see the picture. So anyway, this is the whole stuff.
So it didn't come with instructions.
Instruction do yeah. Instruction is there.
Where?
There you go. I show you here. This is the instruction. There. There.
Oh, there.
Yeah.
I think we could do it.
I don't know. The instruction there. So these are the screw. See there. Instruction there. There. See the instruction? Instruction there. There.
You got it from Amazon?
Yeah, Amazon commercial, right? Okay. Yeah. So these are the one I have to follow. There should be a picture. This is the English one. Yeah, Joseph. Okay. You go. Contents. A, B, C, D. Do you want? Yeah, I'm almost do that. Montage.
I think we could. Oh.
Yeah, there's a lot of stuff, baby.
Should we
See?
do I feel like we should do a montage. Like a legit
Yeah.
montage right now.
You go. I think I need to assembly people better. Yeah, see?
We
A
could
little
do
bit complicated, yeah.
It's easy.
So easy. Can I chicken back?
I want to try.
가르치게 이게.
I want to try. I could try.
Yeah. I think we need a David, or we can do together.
Maybe he's at home.
I don't know. Okay, this is the assembly. Yeah, that did it. We do it.
So guys,
So also, once we are finished doing assemble, then we'll show the video.
yeah,
Assemble one with the full chair.
we'll keep contact when we get it. Bye.
10 minutes later.
Oh, someone just did show you. Happy Wednesday, Hugger song. As I showed you before, we got received the Amazon box for office chair furniture, and we did the unboxing. And here's my neighbor, Mr. David, and he's helping me to fix the chair. And the finished products looks like this, right?
Someone has to sit on it
Yeah.
to make sure.
So I'll just have a seat and see how. Oh, it is. It's kind of high, right? So you can make it low from here, right?
Yeah.
Where's the thing?
I think it's here.
Oh, they're here, right? Oh yeah, this is perfect. See,
Nice.
it looks good, right?
It looks
All right.
good. Look at that.
Yeah. So we want to thank you, David, for helping
Sponsored.
us to assemble the chair.
Tools.
All right. So we'll have some
Shout
drinks
out.
later on. Okay.
I love it.
It's a
Yeah.
shout out to David
We'll have some beer
Hines.
later on. Yeah.
I love it. Just put these in the on the sides for me,
Oh yeah. Cover.
Okay.
and you'll be good.
So,
Yeah.
any last words for helping my
Oh,
father?
this
You
one
know-
here, right, David?
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, good.
You know, shout out to CalStar 77. I'm very grateful.
Touch. Rising.
Yeah.
Rising Star, sorry, 77.
Rising Star.
I'm very grateful to be a part of this this vlog today, and I'm just grateful for my friend Chog who let me be a part of this situation. So I'm just chilling.
Make sure
Sh-
to like, subscribe, and share.
Kisa? Yeah. See this goes here. I put it these things. Yeah. So these are.
All right,
like-
I'll see you a little later.
Okay, David.
Can I
Thank
put
you.
one?
Yeah. You can put one here.
Okay, hold it. So, I think so. Just put it in, right?
Yeah. Shove it in. Yeah. It just looks so cute.
Yeah, it does.
Kali kallu. You did? Just does it?
So just put it in, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. What do? Taklan do.
Like that. And then.
Hmm. Does it?
Nope.
The little bit. Yeah. It's so easy. You put it this.
It's because you're stronger than me.
Yeah. Hold on. Yeah. See?
Oh,
It's done.
I guess
Okay.
I get it.
See? Next one. Okay. Kisa?
Easy.
Those are the jelly chick doa.
Can I do that?
Yeah.
I guess, wait. So the hole is right there. Can I have the other one? So I think we gotta turn it around.
There.
Oh, here.
Yeah. Did. Yeah, that's the one. You did
But
it?
there's no more here, right?
Yeah.
Wait,
Is it-
this one isn't good. This one isn't even in.
Go.
This one.
What?
It's like a little gap.
Go.
Do you see that? Look. It's not fully in.
Oh. Yeah, those. Right?
Yeah, good.
Okay, here, one more.
Oh, I wanna.
Where is one more? Do we have more? Oh. Oh.
Nope.
In there?
Nope. No more.
You sure?
Yeah.
Did you? Then it's good. Then you give us. But you tell me, do. Yeah, you need one more. How did it lost? How did it get lost?
So guys, we are looking for the thing, but we'll stop right now and we'll tell you when we find it. Bye!